What's up, everybody? Welcome to Colorful Analysis channel. In today's session, we would like to discover how many calories our body needs to stay the same weight and start our journey toward a healthy and a balanced lifestyle. For calculation of the daily calories, we need weight, height, age, and the gender. And then based on equation of Harris Benedict, we calculate the basal metabolic rate, BMR, and then by simple calculation, we can get the total daily energy expenditure or TDE. So let's have a fun with the Python code to calculate our daily calories. We will start with define the function to calculate these two equations. So based on the equation, we need four input, and we have function calculate TDE, total daily energy expenditure. For TDE, we define another function called calculate. We need to parameter BMR from the previous function and activity level. For activity level, we need define a dictionary. Before that, it's good idea to look at it. What is a dictionary? Dictionary is considered mutable data type because we have a possibility to modify the content and always has a two pair. One pair is the key and is not repeatable, and the another one the value associated to the key and normally defined in a bracket. Let's define the activity level here. Calculate the TDE. We need to add activity factor to the equation. Uh, in the standard way, you can find it on the Health Line website. That is a standard which define that if sedentary, little to no exercise, 1.2, and the others we associate by the dictionary a value that is a standard, and the next we should calculate TDE by the multiply BMR by activity factors. Uh, so for this case, but before that, multiply is better that to define the message error in the case of we have a problem of the input, like we add here also if activity level consider lowercase again, not in activity factors. So they actually the input of activity factor should be same as this one in case of that calculate the numbers. If it's not here, we should alarm it by the print a message invalid input. Then return none. Now we are ready to calculate TDE. It will be BMR multiplied by activity factor, and then we should add activity level lower and return TDE. Main program. So first we can say welcome to the daily calories calculator. And then we should define the four variable for input of function. First, write it down, weight, height, age, and the gender. We should define the type for each variable. For weight, float, height, float, age, integer, and the gender with just a male and female. The next step to calculate BMR with calling that function. So the user should input input the all four variable, we can define that if BMR is not known, so at least we have some value, try to print the all activity level. To save your time, I stop and I add all activity level. But in the case of that the user wants to add the activity, it's not easy to write it actually the level of activity, for example, extra active. It's better that to define a dictionary to assign the each number to each activity. So that is we have the we get the print all the sentences as user can see which one is their level. Then we should define that activity level choice for input, and then as we say that okay, enter the number correspondence to you. We define activity level and associate a number to each category. Now we should check the validity of user input. In the case of that, if they enter the valid input of 1 to 5, then save that number and then calculate TDE. Let's look at together. Daily calories calculator is ready. But before to check the result, we review the code. That Python script help the uh, Python beginners to know about that defined function, and that function is four variables, so we define the variable here, so you will be familiar with the all different type of the data in a Python: float, integer, and a string. And then for the second function, as we get the one of the variable from the previous the function, and the one again user should input the numbers. So in this case, we find out how we can define the dictionary in a Python, and also note that in this Python script, we handle the error. So we run the Python script and enter weight, for example, 60 kg, enter height, for example, 150 years, 30, female. So activity level, we do 3. So daily calorie is 2072. Let's check by the one of the website to see that we are good or not. In the website of the TDE calculator, I add the same number and compare the result. We are good enough to say that goodbye till next video.